Hey, food enthusiasts, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're delving into the world of cooking appliances with a spotlight on the Hotpoint HDM67G8C2CX UK dual-fuel cooker. This premium-looking cooker not only adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen but also boasts ample cooking space and some nifty features. Let's jump in and see if this cooker is the right fit for your culinary adventures. The Hotpoint HDM67G8C2CX UK catches the eye with its stainless steel design, a sleek addition to any kitchen setup. Beyond its appearance, the build quality is impressive, from the sturdy doors to the tactile control dials. This cooker radiates durability. Dual-fuel cookers remain popular for their space efficiency, and the HDM67G8C2CX UK follows suit. With a generous 44-liter capacity in the top oven and a substantial 70-liter capacity in the bottom oven, you're looking at a combined 114 liters of cooking space. That's like having integrated appliances but without the hassle. Let's delve into the ovens. The top oven functions like a regular one, complete with a fold-down door and convection, fan, and grill options. It's a relief to see fan settings in the smaller oven, a feature often missing. The bottom oven, however, swings open due to its proximity to the floor. A slight drawback is the lack of a door to rest hot trays on while cooking. But this isn't unique to this model. It's a common issue with dual-fuel cookers. A nearby trivet can be your solution. Operating the HDM67G8C2CX UK is a breeze, thanks to clearly marked controls for both ovens. Standard symbols for oven functions are intuitive, and the manual provides clarity if needed. There's also a simple timer, allowing you to set beeps or even turn off the ovens when it counts down. Catalytic liners maintain a clean interior by absorbing grease, although there's no intense pyrolytic cleaning here. What's interesting is the glass lid above the hobs, offering extra counter space when you need it and serving as a splashback. The cast iron grates above the burners provide stability for pots and pans. Now, let's talk about cooking performance. I put the HDM67G8C2CX UK through its paces with oven chips and temperature tests. Both ovens excel, thanks to the fan feature ensuring even cooking. Switching between ovens provided versatility while managing energy usage. The temperature tests revealed consistent distribution and control. Whether using the top or bottom oven, results were impressively uniform, promising reliable cooking outcomes. Grilling-wise, the top grill impressed, toasting bread slices evenly. However, the bottom grill had its challenges, with uneven heating requiring frequent turning. While the top oven provides a better grilling experience, it's still a viable option for quick snacks. UK dual-fuel cooker? It's a solid choice for those seeking ample cooking space and a sleek design. With dual fan ovens delivering consistent results, it's a winner in the cooking department. The minor downsides, like the uneven bottom grill and lack of slide-out rails, are manageable trade-offs. As we wrap up this culinary exploration, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. Until next time, happy cooking and stay tuned for more great product insights.